Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to check out how to monitor your credit line activity in the Bluevine app. Tracking your credit line activity in real time helps you to stay on top of balances, payments, and available credits. The Bluevine app makes this easy, and here's how to monitor it. First step is to open the Bluevine mobile app and log into your accounts with your credentials. From the home dashboard, tap on credit line. You're going to see an overview showing your total limits, outstanding balance, and available credits. Scroll down to view recent transactions. Each draw, payments, and fees are all listed in details. Tap on a specific draw to view its repayment schedules, including installment dates and amounts. You can use the filter to sort activity by date, type, or status for much clearer tracking. Enable push notifications in app settings to get alerts for upcoming due dates as well as successful payments. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.